everybody, we're back with the French 75. So this is our first cocktail video. Pretty excited. We're going to be using gin for this one. I'm going to be using the Hendrick's gin here. You can find it in the Cannex, or you can use any of the other gins that we have up on the shelf here. They'll all work perfect for this drink. So first things first, we're going to start off with our shaker, half filled with ice cubes. We're going to grab our gin, go for 1.5 ounces. Other side, and 1/2 ounce. And there we are. Then, our simple syrup that we made earlier in the previous video, we're going to use just a little bit of it, not too much, not even 1/2 ounce. We don't want to oversweeten the drink, that's going to go right into our shaker as well. And then 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. If you like, you can use fresh lemon. That's about half a lemon. That would give you about 1/2 ounce of juice once you squeeze it. Or you can just use whatever you can find in the store. Anything will work. So we're just going to squeeze that into our shaker here. Make a bit of a mess. Very nice. And close up your shaker and give it a good shake. There really isn't a time limit that you need to shake it for. Basically until it feels nice and cold for you. We're trying to blend the ingredients together, get that nice unified taste so that we're not getting bits and pieces of just that one nice taste. Alright, that seems good. We're going to drain that into our martini glass here. Yep, last little bit of. And then, simple garnish with this one, just a 1/4 of a lemon wedge. Looks nice. Boom, right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page, and if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys!